I definitely learned a lot. Wow, I think we were out there for like 20-25 minutes.
Yeah, I was just looking at the time.
We went on at like 4:13.
Yeah. Yeah, I was getting a bit tired, so I was actually planning on quitting.
Yeah. There was no traffic.
Yeah. I think on the last laps it was getting slower and slower.
Yeah. The tires were, I think you were tired. Tires were.
Yeah.
You're definitely running sub 130.
Yeah.
You have to be.
I have no idea.
You're probably running around 125 if I had to guess.
Yeah.
Super fast.
Yeah, it's fun, but you see with traction control the car is pretty forgiving.
Yeah, I'm shocked that with traction control off.
Yeah.
Like you're just. I think the problem is I had it on and it was cutting power for me in a lot of places.
Yeah, and in my places you can see in some places I had a bit of oversteer, but
yeah,